The problem, get the problem approved by us. We permit you, please do that. You have to have some data for action research. I am talking on innovations, creativity. I am talking on improvisation. I am talking on experimentation. All these things are same. So you are doing an experiment. You have sorted a problem. You have defined the problem. You want to now collect data on the problem. You can collect data from the children in the form of the questionnaire in your device, given to them, they give a reply, keep with you, study them. You have released questionnaire to your friends, take their opinion, write down there. You have released questionnaire to the parents, not one parent, to all parents. And you have got so much documentation with you, now you study that. And then you draw some inference, this is the answer of this problem. Study that. These are the probable remedies. Apply that. If your problem is solved, you can get the NCERT prize 1 lakh rupees. We have to do nothing. We will send to NCERT. This is the actual research done by our teacher. They go through and they say, yeah, it's extremely useful information collected. So Poonam is getting NCERT 1 lakh rupees award for innovative practices. You can do that. But if you say, sir, our syllabus is too high, we have to make a lesson plan, we have to work hard, you have to work hard. You have not only to work hard, you have to prove you are different. You have to prove that you are different. If all 5 English teachers are there, I know they are all 5. How she is different from her? That identity, you have to establish your identity, how I look different from other. My approach is this thing, my learning, teaching method is this thing. I have adopted these new techniques. I am using English language lab. I am making use of ICT. So many things are there. So kindly note, and this is I will be extremely happy, Sujata ma'am, since you will be looking after the primary for some time. Kindly give me a group of the teachers, like Poonam with her friends, one more, make 2 groups only, and think of the problems in primary where you can take for action research, topic for action research. So I should get after about, before going for vacation, should I get these 2 problems at least? I'll be very happy. Because I'll tell you, if you get NCERT reward, I think this is the biggest honor for Akshara. You can do that. Because you have not been promoted, you have not been motivated to do that, you will not take it up. I was given this task by Kendriya Vidyalaya in Dehu Road when I was principal there. I can show you the video where I had given the same lecture, and I can show you the reports coming from that school, getting not actual award but the high class appreciation from NCERT, that the teachers have done extraordinary work. So you can do that. Similarly, HODs, subject HODs. Every HOD should at least sort out a problem right from class 12 downwards, do the action research with the group and tell us the results. If not NCERT award, we will give you Akshara award. I request madam. Now this is a high class work done by them, and we will see that the work is published in NCERT books. Please honor them with this award. We will do that. What is the problem? I don't think there is any problem for that. So HODs, before you go, one problem for action research pertaining to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Is that okay? So your first meeting should have this. First meeting should have this. That we have to take topics from the teachers. Ask the children that give me some problems. Talk to your parents. Then how to proceed. Show us the topics. It should not happen that Richa has also selected the same topic as Poonam, similar. So we will select the topic. We will say you do this, you do this, you do this, and then do for the entire year. After 1 year, you tell us the results. We will discuss. If you do that, I think you are doing an excellent job, not for the organization, for your professional growth. So this is under innovations and इनोवेटिव प्रैक्टिसेस लिख लो कहीं पे, इनोवेशंस एंड इनोवेटिव प्रैक्टिसेस. Construction of knowledge, constructivism I have taken. Now, where do they find? Where should we? आपका लंच कितने बजे? 1 o'clock. 1 to
1:40.